Olansi, a high-tech enterprise established in 2009, 37,285 square meters production base. Focus on healthcare products developing and production. We are playing an important role in air purifiers, water purifiers, and hydrogen water makers. With ISO approved, got certificates of UL, CE, EMC/LVD, CB, ROS, KC, RCM. Obtained praise of excellent supplier for overseas customers in the past 12 years. Selling to Europe, Germany, Poland, Russia, USA, Japan, and Korea, Southeast Asia. Cooperate with big brands around the world. Start from marketing research, structure design with our own evaluation center. 18 injection machines, semi-mechanical filter workshop, GMP dust-free product assembling lines. As a one-stop integrated production system of healthcare industrial chain, with 16 labs, Olansi providing OEM and ODM deep customization service for whole units and filters with professional strong teams in product planning, R&D, International Standard Evaluation Center, marketing, sales, quality control, and after-sales service. Now Olansi is one of China's top 5 OEM, ODM air purifier suppliers. We are selling to over 60 countries and areas. The annual turnover is US $60 million. We believe that you can rely on us as we provide you quite satisfactory service and products with high quality at competitive price in the world. We will always pay full attention to ensure you satisfactory service.